In this video, we will show you how to fix a problem on WordPress version 6.2.2. On the Updates menu, when you click Updates menu on this version of WordPress, it appear warning Undefined variable checkout on the file class-wp-automatic-updater.php on line 175. We can solve this problem very easy. First, you need to open this file on your file manager, of course. Okay, open your file manager. In here, I will open my file manager. In here, make sure you open the file on the wp-admin/includes on this directory of your WordPress installation. In here, let's open our file with the class wp-automatic-updater.php on line 175. Okay, as you can see, this is my file on the folder wp-admin and includes. Let's find class automatic updater. This is class -wp-automatic-updater. Okay, let's click edit and find on the line 175. This file, okay, this line, okay, you can see there is variable checkout in here, and on PHP 8 or above, maybe this method is not right, so we can add the variable. Okay, we can copy this and put in here. Okay, I will put the checkout variable in here above of the script and equal to false, and don't forget to give them the asterisk or semicolon symbol. Okay, $checkout equal to false. Okay, or variable checkout is equal to false. Now you can save the files. After you save the files, let's open the updates menu again, and let's see this warning is gone or not. Let's see here. Now the problem is clear, so you successfully fix your WordPress with that warning, and hope this video helpful for you.